Hey beauties, it's me, Seren Leone. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you here. So I'm gonna get started with my makeup. So if you wanna see how I transform, stay tuned. So the first product that I'm using is Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter. The product that I'm using is Fenty Beauty's Instant Retouch Primer. This is the original formula that they came out with, and this one has been my favorite. As you can see, like that. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Pro Kisser. It's called Hint Hint. This feels so good on the lips. So this is the Stay Naked Weightless Foundation. I'm so excited to try this foundation.
I'm so excited about this foundation. It comes in 50 shades. It's lightweight and it's very breathable. And also it's 100% cruelty free. I actually like this liquid foundation better than the Fenty Beauty formula. I don't know, I think it's even more lightweight and it really matches my skin tone. Like, this foundation doesn't oxidize at all. And another thing about this foundation is that it's waterproof. You can pick this up at Sephora or Ulta. I definitely recommend you give this foundation a try.
So next I'm using the Stay Naked concealer, 70 Warm, and I'm sorry. Alright, in the foundation, I'm 71 and I believe that means 71 is the color and like a neutral undertone.
I am in love with this concealer. It's also 100% cruelty free. It comes in 25 shades. It has a matte finish and I'm just in love with how lightweight it is and how great it just covers and conceals. This is excellent if you have any type of hyperpigmentation, and that's why I'm kind of adding it around my mouth. I've noticed that it's like a little bit darker. This is also another 24-hour wear, and it's for all skin types. So here I'm just blending this out with my beauty blender from Fenty Beauty. If you want to see me get back to using brushes, let me know in the comments. I feel like beauty blenders have just been like, they cut the time that you do your makeup in half. So I just fell in love, but maybe brushes.
I was going in over here thinking about something crazy. Yeah. Why do I look this crazy on my camera? I don't look this crazy in my life, do I? Do I look this crazy in my life? Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Fenty matchstick in the color Espresso. Oh, wait, the edges fell out. Okay, so it's a beautiful color.
I really love the matchsticks, the pigments, the way that they blend, but the packaging, like the way, like this isn't the first time that it's fell out, even when I'm recording, like, and then also Brow MVP does that to me too, like, so you have to be careful with these products, open them correctly when you do, because they will fall out, and thank God it didn't break, but, you know, your Fenty Beauty matchstick could definitely break in half. Drop it the right way.
Fenty Beauty Retouch Powder. I'm in the, okay. Because I can like see the powder. So now I'm going to add some Sun Stalker to my face. I'm using the shade Mocha Mommy. So I wish I had a brown color. I gotta get a brown pencil and a white pencil. Let me put that like on a list somewhere. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. I'm in the shade Soft Black. So ladies, when I was putting these eyelashes on, I tried to, it was a struggle, and this eyelash was like really hard. That's why it's kind of like wet compared to this. I was started to tear up. Dang. So I'm going to highlight with Afternoon Snack from Fenty Beauty. And I'm just going to highlight with my finger. So next I'm going to use Gloss Bomb in Fussy.
Gloss Bomb is literally everything. I love how heavy the gloss is. Oh my gosh.
So my face feels really secure with all the powder, so I'm just going to go in with my Smashbox Primer Water to like kind of just refresh my face and set it that way.
So here I'm just doing a little finishing touch, cutting my contour and my bronzer.
Inferno, you spazzing.
Start a season.
So happy that I switched it up to try this weightless foundation. It feels so light on the skin and in person. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that I can see you in my next video. And for those who are subscribed, thank you so much for being here. I promise to see you so much more in 2020. Happy New Year's, beauty. Please share this video with your friends and your family if you think that they would enjoy the video. And I will see all of you in my next video. See you soon.